Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updates from this channel. You can easily download this picture from the Google by typing fire smoke PNG images. Open this picture and share it in the PixArt or open in the PixArt, then click on the add photo option, then select all your PNGs which we have downloaded from the Google by typing PNG images. I'm selecting here some smoke bombs or grenade and some smoke PNG images and clicked on the add. Then just adjust where you wanna edit. Then click on the effects option, click on the colors, then select saturation and click OK. It will look good in this. Then click on the picture bomb, then reduce opacity, adjust where you wanna fix that thing. So here I am gonna fix this. Then click on the rubber option upside, then erase. After erasing, click on OK, then increase the opacity. Do the same thing with the another smoke grenade. Here I have adjusted all the smokes. Then click on the rubber icon to erase all the useless parts. So here I have erased all this. Then after that, click on the right option, selected the second PNG image of the smoke, then adjust that one also. Then click on the rubber icon to erase all those useless pieces. How much you want to erase, just erase, and you can make your own picture like this. So keep watching till the end because it is surprising. After adjusting all the smoke PNG, click OK, again click on the right mark. After that, again click on the photo layer, add photo. Again I am selecting all the PNGs, 4 PNGs. So adjusting this like this. if you want to make like this video, then click on the subscribe. After that I will show you in the second video. The second video will be coming soon.